Good evening, everyone. So today I am going to discuss about some very important topic. I hope you will understand my topic and you will apply in your life. So which things can give us motivation to do everything? This is our topic. Means that sometime we decide something, sometime we saw and we listen and our observation we decide means I will do this work, but generally what happened with us after when is the extent of action, that time we feel lazy and just we always try to means procrastinate to another day. Tomorrow I will start, and one new month I will start, but always we just procrastinate for that. Why is it? So for that we have to understand the motto and why. Your why should be clear. Means for example, you want to go morning time exercise to playground, but you also can't get up early morning, and after that you not have a time, so that is a problem. But which things will give you motivation to go playground and get up early morning? So there you need a motivation. First you have to understand yourself. Why should I go? What is the benefit of exercise? When will you understand the benefit of exercise? When you will know the benefits, then you will try to do this exercise. For example, you can relate your real situation or real life by this example. Means you want to you tell anyone, just do for me this work in 1 hour. This person will not be ready for you. If your family, maybe somebody will ready, but 99% will not be ready for do this work, because in this work for your benefit, but for him there is no any benefit. Why will he do this work for you? Rather than if you tell him, if you do this work, I will give you 500 rupees, then 75% will be ready for this work, because it is a huge amount of money for 1 hour. So everybody will be ready for do this work. But why? Not the first time. Why? It is second time. Because then he has a proper set of mind, proper means result. He is watching. If I just complete this work, I will get 500 rupees. So you can relate your life with this situation. When you will know, means morning exercise will give me physical fitness, physical health, and freedom from disease. And every human being like physical fitness. Who don't love? Everybody love. Who don't like to freedom from illness? Everybody want. So when you will know benefit and harmness, then your mind will be ready. So first you have to find out your why. Your profit should be clear and very clean. Then you will do this work. Next things, you can set a award for yourself. Means when this man set for him a work, but he was not ready. But when he tell him, I will give you 500 rupees if you do this work for me, then this man was ready. So as like you can set a reward. For example, if I for exercise, and if I complete my task, so after that I will drink a one glass hot milk and good quality of tea, whatever you like. But try to eat something, try to fix avoid as something healthy food. And you can set, if you like the some episode of any of your favorite, you can relate that. Means if I complete 1 hour exercise, after that I will watch this episode. So as how you can also do it. Another way means when I was a small child, that time how we react in our homework. If we did not complete our homework, so our teachers used to beat us. So for protecting ourselves from this beating, we also completed our homework. So you can set this rule also in your life. If I not go, so then I will complete my 100 push-up in my room. Even I will not take breakfast. So in this way you can also means complete your task. But another things, you have to find out a strong attitude. Say, for example, how many people they have, means whatever happened, they are not ready to break their attitude. Whatever happened, they, how many loss, how many side effects they bear in a past life, but they are not ready to break the means rule and attitude. So you have to means set a attitude, means whatever I decided and I will complete that. I will do this work, and otherwise I will not complete my task. So as how you can continue your task, because it is your life, you have to complete. Nobody will complete your desire, nobody complete your wish. We have only one life. If you just maintain these things for a few days, minimum 21 days, it will be your habit. When it will be your habit, so that time you don't need to do that type of reward or punishment for yourself. That time you will do means automatically and as a habitually. You will not feel good without do this work. So just do it minimum 21 day, either 90 day. After that, see the miracle. And imagine, their imagination will work for you. Means if I go to gym next 100 days, what type of body I will have, what type of fitness I will have in after 100 days. Imagine that situation. So that type of situation or imagination also will invoke you, also you promote you to go every day ground field. If you want to study per day minimum 4 hours, by imagine by that what will happen. Why I will read books for hour. What will happen by reading? So when you will ask many more questions, means why I will do this work, why I will read this book, why will I learn English speaking, what will happen in future. Then you will find an answer. Means if I learn English communication, if I read books, so I will improve my English also, knowledge also. Whenever I will go, whenever I will share my knowledge, people will hire me very easily, because everybody need experience and knowledge. And when I will present myself good way, so whose person will not hire me? By that I can get a good quality of job. So when I will find out a good quality of job, so automatically I will earn a good money also. So you have to ask lot of question yourself. Means why should I do this work? Why? What is the reason? When you will ask many more questions to yourself, automatically you will find your answer. Means why I will do. For example, We are staying in India. It is our motherland. But we also follow the rule and regulation. We don't means break the rule. Nowadays, everybody feel fear from driving without helmet because without if I go means for driving motorcycle and I did not bring helmet with me, so I have to give minimum 2000 as a penalty. So everybody love money, everybody want to save money, nobody are ready to give the penalty. So in this category or in this way, we are not ready. We always have a fear. So my dear friend, so our question was, how can I motivate means for do any kind of work? So only one way means ask question, why should I do? When you will find your why, your reason, then ask this question, how should I do this work better way? When you will give your 100% and your best, so what will happen? You will become expert in. So we will meet next video and we will try to find out another problem. It was not my problem, it is not your problem. Actually, we are fighting always both type of things. We want to do something, but we are doing some another things. It is the reason means we not have a proper means goal or proper plan and proper reason means why do this. So first of all, for before doing any work, try to find out your why. When you will clear your why, so automatically you will see the result. So thank you for watching my video. If you think this video is valuable for your life, so try to comment and give us credit and share, comment, subscribe our channel. Thank you.